Karon akong ipakita ninyo kung paano mag-struggle, kung unsa ang struggle. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is for new blogger like me, a new YouTuber like me, to let you know guys that you are not alone. Daghan na ta, duha na ta, tulo na ta, daghan na ta nga naglisod unsaon pag-vlog na dili masayop, na dili katawan sa mga viewers, dili i-bash sa mga viewers. Sa tinuod lang, I am struggling with my vlog. As you can see, sa makita ninyo, lisod tayo because I'm not really good in talking in public. Because once you make your vlog, it seems that you are talking to the public, but I don't have wala ko'y kaisog sa pag-storya sa public. See? You can see now. Sabi na ba, I made this vlog. Nagpabaga ako sa kinaw. I make my face baga-baga para masukian ka mo. Just to let you know how the blogger, how the new blogger start their journey. And I'm gonna tell you, this is part of my journey. Sa'yo, daghang mga kakat, daghang mga buto ko nga una. Pero okay lang, padayon na ta. Let's continue this and we can make it. So, guys, if you are a new blogger like me, please subscribe to my channel and let's encourage to each other. Let's help each other. Struggle is real. Yeah. So please guys, if you don't like this video and if you like this video, just subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and just share my video to your friends, especially to just starting their journey as a blogger, to let them know that we are not alone. Daghan na ta, ikaduha ko, ikatulog ka, basta daghan na ta maulawan ang iskatibingban. Sige lang, i-share lang yun. Even though that mura pagkatawan yan sa mga katawahan. Pero sige lang, I'm sure you are laughing right now. Nagkatawa ka, sila kaili nakakinig sila. Kaili na ka. Sige lang yapon, sige lang katawa lang. Katawa lang ka-amin. Kaya, man yato panginabuhi. Gusto ko magdalit, panginabuhi naman nato. Diba? Saman mo, oy. Okay. So, yeah. So, diba? I told you. Struggle is real. So if you guys can relate this video, don't forget my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell notification. And if you want to say anything, bad, good, positive, negative, don't hesitate to write it down. I am happy to read it for you.